Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making another corn recipe. So we are going to be making corn akara, which is called in Benin language Ekwoka. So if you are interested, continue watching and let's get started. So guys, this is the corn kernels that I'm going to use for this recipe. You need dry corn kernels. You don't need to use the fresh corn. You really need the dry one. So I'm going to start by washing the corn kernels. And for the ingredients that I'm going to use for this recipe, I'm just going to leave everything in the description box below. You can just go and check it if you want to make this recipe. So now, as you can see, my water is almost boiling. I'm just going to pour in the corn and I'm going to cook this corn for about 30 to 35 minutes because that will help to soften the corn a little bit. So while I'm waiting for my corn to cook, I'm just going to slice my onions and my pepper that I'm going to use for the corn akara. So now I'm going to check if the corn is already soft a little bit. You don't want to overcook your corn. As you see, it's still strong, just to soften the corn a little bit. So I'm just going to pour it in my sieve. I will allow the corn to cool down. So now I'm going to be blending my corn. So guys, I try to use my food processor to do this process, but as you can see, as you will see in this video, this corn need a very strong blender. This one could not do the job, so I decided to transfer it to the other of my blender, the stronger one. So I'm going to be adding some pepper, onions, salt and maggi. I'm just going to blend everything together, and you don't want the corn to be too smooth. No, you don't need it like that. As you can see, the food processor could not blend it, and I transfer it to this blender that you are seeing here now. So I just finished blending it. I'm going to be blending it batch by batch because this blender, this cup is very small. I can't put all the corn at a time. So I'm just going to be blending it batch by batch. So here is my palm oil that I'm going to use for this recipe. You need palm oil, and you don't need to bleach your oil. You just want to heat your oil. You just want the oil to hot, but don't bleach it. As you can see, I did not bleach the oil, I just heat the oil. That is all. So now I'm going to start to mold the corn akara. You need to use your hands to mold it. As you can see, I can mold it with my hand very well because I did not add water to the corn while I was blending it. If you add water, the corn will be too soft and you cannot mold it with your hands. You can mold your own any shape you want. I just want to do my own, like the way they do it in Africa. So they mold it to this kind of shape. So I just want to do my own like that, but feel free to do any kind of shape that you want. I've finished molding all the corn akara. It's time for me to start frying them. So this recipe goes well with coconuts. So we are going to be using this coconut for this corn akara. So my oil, as you can see, is not bleach. Don't bleach your own, just only heat your own. Let it hot a little bit so that you can able to fry your akara, but don't bleach it. And you need a kitchen napkin to help absorb the excess oil. And you don't need to use high heat. When your oil is already hot, you just need to lower your heat a little bit to a medium heat. Don't high your fire, if not, your corn akara will just get burned easily. I'm just going to leave it. You just need to fry this corn akara between 8 to 10 minutes, but just be there, stir them. Just use your frying spoon to stir them around so that they will not get burned. These are the fried ones. You see, I use my kitchen napkin to help absorb the excess oil in the akara. So I'm just going to repeat the process again. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Set the notification bell to all so that you never miss any of my upcoming videos. For my old subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back. Please share this video to your friends and family. So here is the end result. At this point, I'm going to leave you guys, and I'm going to show you another corn recipe in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.